In this video, I'm going to share with you this amazing green smoothie recipe that's going to do three things. It's going to burn belly fat, it's going to boost your energy levels, and it's going to detoxify your body. The ingredients consist of Lacinato Kale, cucumber, broccoli, kiwi, green apple, lime, dates, and chia seed. All right, this is going to be jam-packed with nutrients. So much fiber that you're not going to feel hungry. You're going to feel satisfied until you eat your meal. All right, so I consume 2 green smoothies every day. I eat a meal that I prepare that consists of a protein and a vegetable. That's how I've been able to lose weight. It's dropping off. It's melting like butter. I'm actually down 27 pounds right now. I'll probably go for another 15 to 20 pounds and then I'll be good. But anyway, let's get right into it. Everything has already been washed. I did that beforehand. So I'm going to start with some broccoli. I'm not going to use much because I don't want it to be, super strong as far as the broccoli taste, but I want some of that cleansing property that broccoli provides. I have another video when I talk about this is basically an internal brush. And so I want some of that in here, but I don't want to drown the other ingredients out. So I have 2 bunches here, a large one and a small one. So I'm going to go with that. My cucumber, again, I don't want a great deal, but I do want enough that I can get the nutrients that come in this cucumber. Let me cut the end off. I'm gonna throw that in there. I have this lime. I love lime. A lot of my smoothies have lime in them. The taste is just so powerful, so strong. That acid is excellent as far as burning the body fat. It's going to target those areas where you have those fat deposits. It's going to loosen them up. I'm actually going to put the whole lime in here to offset that strong broccoli taste and the cucumber. When we're making our smoothies, we want to make sure that it's enjoyable. We don't want to have to, treat it like it's work, like it's torture. You just don't like it because you won't drink it if it's like that. But if you enjoy it, that makes it easy. With my smoothies, I'm constantly trying new recipes that makes it fresh. A lot of people don't like the routine of doing the same thing over and over again. But people that are successful usually master a process. They usually have a routine that they stick to. It's proven, it's worked for them, and they keep doing it. So if you can combine the best of both worlds to have some variety, by switching up your different smoothies, which, we're going to provide a boatload of recipes for you. You switch it up that way, but you stick to the process of eliminating the processed foods, the process of making your own meal, the meal prep, and the process of thriving. You have to get into the rhythm. You have to tell yourself that you are worthy of that. We have some kiwi here. All right, now we have our kale. All of this is good, but I usually try to break off the ends. I want to focus on as much as the leafy part as possible. Stuff that in there. That's 2 sections so far. Look at all this green. It's going to hit us at a cellular level. It's going to supercharge us. I have some dates. I don't need many. Just going to use 3 dates. I have my chia seed. Going to get a spoonful of this chia seed. Throw that in there. Let's get our water and our Vitamix. This is my Vitamix. This is basically like the Cadillac of blenders. You don't have to have a Vitamix. A regular blender will work. Just make sure you blend it well and that everything is chopped up nicely. All right, so I have my water here. This is 2 cups. What I want you to do is to add the water gradually until you get the consistency exactly how you want it. Again, You're catering this to your preference. You need to enjoy it. You're the one that's going to drink it. All right. You want to make this sustainable, something that you can do every day. Making a mess here. All right, so let's see how that does. Get all this green. All right, I'm going to add some more water. This is the entire 2 cups. Okay, I'm actually going to add 3 more dates. I'm going to add 3 more dates in there. It's kind of dark in here. I don't know if you can really appreciate how green this is. I think you should be able to see it. Look at this. It's going to detoxify your cells. It's going to give you so much energy. All right, you're going to feel so energized throughout the day. You're going to be like, what is going on? Watch this. Watch how green this is. Watch this cellular magic. Look at this. Look at this. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so green. Hitting your cells. Rejuvenating you from the inside out. It's going to have your skin glowing. It's going to improve your mood. Believe it or not, what you eat can affect your mood, guys. A lot of people don't even know that. This is going to make you feel excited to tackle life. All right. Now, again, I can't stress enough how green this is. So this is not something that you're going to want to drink straight, because it can stain your teeth. You don't want to just drink it straight out of the glass. You want to use a straw. Because this can stain your teeth. It's so green, all these nutrients. So I'm going to get my straw and test it out. Yep, this is it. I took a few sips. I can already just tell that it's going to leave my body in a state of focus. I'm not joking. I'm not blowing smoke. I'm serious. This is the real deal, guys. Oh man, that's potent. So I have my drink containers. This is what I use to store them. Super handy. They have a handle. Everywhere I go, I have this ready for me. So if that hunger kicks in, I drink the smoothie, then I'm not hungry anymore. Then I have my other one. Most of the day is gone by. Then I eat my dinner, then I'm done for the day. But right now, I don't feel deprived. All right, I haven't had a piece of candy in over 45 days. I've never gone this long without candy in my entire life. All right, I just recently turned 43. In my entire life, I've never gone this long without candy or junk food or processed foods. Right, so this is a lifestyle change for me. This is not a short-term diet, a short-term fad. I feel great. So we close that up. We're good to go. I'm going to leave this in the refrigerator so it'll be nice and cold for me. And that's how we do it. That's my routine. It's worked for me. It will work for you. I assure you. All right. You cut out the processed foods, 2 of these a day, plus your meal. You can't help but to burn the belly fat. The belly fat will burn like butter. You'll be snatched in no time. You'll be looking great. You'll be feeling great. All right. So that does it for today's episode. Hopefully you learned something. I want you to try this. All right. It will change your life. I'm telling you. Listen to what I'm telling you. This is the truth. It will change your life. I'm so passionate about it. I'm trying to get everyone to learn about this. Okay. It's amazing. All right. So if you got some value from this, please go ahead and smash the like button for us and consider subscribing. We're going to keep flooding you with these recipes. They're amazing, life-changing recipes. All right. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.